What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add or how to insert a table on Microsoft Word. It's pretty much easy and simple. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you add a table on Microsoft Word. So let's begin. And guys, before starting our video I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So first of all, you need to open your Microsoft Word, and then you need to go here. There you can see insert option, just click it, and after that you can see option table, just click again. Then there you can see you need to select your table like that. What you need to select like that. You need to select like that, then that's it. You can see your table already created on Microsoft Word. So guys, in this way you can insert a table on Microsoft Word very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.